Are you done playing small ball and ready for a game-changing flood of exclusive verified leads? Imagine not just multiplying your ROI guaranteed, but also being the only business in your vertical and area to have access to these leads. Picture a steady stream of exclusive verified leads pouring into your business. That's our promise to you. We are not just another lead generation company. With 26 years of experience and thousands of satisfied clients, we have perfected a system that delivers real leads, real results, real fast. And these leads are exclusive to you. We only work with one company per vertical in each area. Our clients have seen their businesses transform, with some generating up to 4 times the expected leads. But don't just take our word for it, listen to their stories.
Hey everybody, I'm Dave Farrow, 303 Sign Company. I've been working with Mark My Words Media for 6-8 months now. I'd like to thank everybody for being so responsive and working with me to get everything moving on track. It's been a great experience.
I'm Des Laffin from Greensboro, North Carolina. I run a business called Carolina Custom Signs and Graphics. About a year and a half into business right now. The first 9 months of my operation, we were doing all we could with blogging. We were, got into Google AdWords. We weren't getting the results that we wanted to get for the business. Some of my colleagues were working with Mark My Words. Had some conversations with them, liked what I heard. We got involved with them about 8 months ago, and since then the business has just changed dramatically. Our sales have doubled and then again doubled again since we jumped in with Mark My Words Media. It's been a blessing for our business. We love working with them. They're a great company.
Hi, my name is Brendan Davis. I'm an attorney. I own Davis & Associates. We are a consumer law firm focusing primarily in divorce and custody cases. Just opened in March of this year. Couldn't have done it without Mark My Words and Scott. But we finally got connected with Scott, and everything really changed for us. Mark My Words was instrumental with all of them, really responsible for 95% of new cases that weren't referrals or a former client or something like that. We didn't really need to toy around with multiple different marketing sources. Mark My Words was enough, essentially, to do all that.
Hi, my name's Paul Panico. I'm an attorney in Columbus, Ohio. My experience has been overall very, very satisfactory. I've been working with Mark My Words for approximately a year, and so that's given me a pretty good background in terms of what they can provide for anybody who uses them, as well as what they've provided for us. Let me tell you another thing. Because I've been practicing so long, I've used a lot of different media companies and using different forms of generating business. There have been many that have made promises in terms of the return on investment. There's been many that have made promises here and there and everywhere. When Mark My Words Media contacted me, I was hesitant to try anything new because what I was doing at the time was working. I spoke with people there and I decided to give it a shot. Now, I called out to other people who'd used Mark My Words Media, and they were generally favorable.
Our unique approach to lead generation is based on 3 core principles: verified leads, fast campaign launch, and lead grading and tracking. We are not just delivering leads, we are delivering a proven, predictable system that drives business growth. And remember, these leads are unique to you. We are offering a system that delivers verified and exclusive leads to supercharge your business growth. If you are a business owner tired of competing for leads and wasting resources on ineffective marketing, you are in the right place. It's time to stop chasing leads and start having them come to you exclusively. We start by understanding your business and your target audience. Then we launch a tailored campaign to attract and verify high-quality leads. Finally, we track and grade these leads to help you identify and grow the volume of leads you really want. We are not just promising leads. We are promising verified and exclusive leads that convert into money delivered to you fast. And the best part, we guarantee a minimum 2x ROI, or we work for free. That's our commitment to your success. So, are you ready to supercharge your business growth with exclusive leads? Book a call with us today and let's get started.